Hi everyone. Here we are in Blender. Blender is 3D open source free software that you can download right now, and I'm going to show how to load microscopy data in Blender for 3D visualization with microscopy nodes. So first we click away for the starting scene, which has a camera, a cube, and a light. So here we can see what we have in the scene, and here our scene itself, which we can scroll around in. I will first delete everything in the scene with A and X, and then I'll show you how to install microscopy nodes and how to load 3D data. And there are public datasets that you can join along with, or you can use your own TIFFs or Zarrs. So first we're going to go to the Preferences, and there we can go to Get Extensions and search for microscopy. And then we get microscopy nodes here. We can press Install, and it will install and download microscopy nodes. Also, if in this same window here under the add-ons, you can find extra settings for microscopy nodes if you want to set more default things. But for now, we're going to ignore this. So now we've installed microscopy nodes, and here in our Scene Properties panel, we will find our microscopy nodes panel. Here you need to first give it a certain data set that you want to load, and that can be either a .tiff or a .zarr. And so Zarr is a format that you can publicly access online, and that saves multiple scales of a large data set, so you can actually play with how large the data set is. So I've put a few example Zarr datasets, both for fluorescence and for electron microscopy, online, and these are very cool images already. And so let's just see if we can load these and how to play with the data that we've loaded. Just for reference, microscopy in Blender can take quite some computer resources. So I'm here with a 32 gigabyte MacBook Pro, and this works quite well, also because it has a lot of VRAM, but I have seen if you don't have a lot of RAM, it starts to struggle at some point because it needs quite some RAM to really function well. Because this is both for fluorescence and EM, I will split apart the videos, so here you will see both a fluorescence and EM data loading video. Good luck!